Well, I'm at the Sheetz gas station, and this is a little bit confusing. So they have the regular 87, 89, 93 contains 10% ethanol. Then I see 80A in blue and the flax still in yellow. Really confusing. So apparently the regular 80A, it has a 15% and it's for 2001 and newer vehicles. And the yellow one has 51 to 88%. Okay, it took me a while, but I guess the black one is the regular car. And the blue one is the newer car. And the yellow one, I don't know what the yellow one. Really confusing. Really confusing.